morning everyone, this is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nestified. For today's vlog mga ka-Nestified, still the continuation of our road trip from Baku City to Kabala, Azerbaijan. So, yan mga ka-Nestified, medyo mahaba-habang biyahe nga to, as mentioned from my previous vlog. Almost 3 to 4 hours ang biyahe from Baku to Azerbaijan, Kabala. So you've met our dear friend Sanan. He is a very good driver. Safety first kaming lahat. Hindi kami natatakot. And he's a very good driver. Not only that, also, he is a very good photographer, mga ka-Nestified. So, ang magaganda naming kuha, siya yun. Siya yung kumukuha sa amin. So, sobrang blessed kami dahil not only that, he is also like a father to us kasi tinitake care niya talaga kami, inaalagaan niya kami at dinadala kami sa mga magagandang lugar. So, joining with me with this road trip, mga ka-Nestified, is we have to trust the process. Wow, trust the process. And patience is the key. May mapaganon pa si Inday. Anyway, yes, medyo nga mahaba tong biyahe. So, we're still here in the road going to Kabala. At as mentioned, mahaba nga talaga to kasi 3 to 4 hours nga siya. And yes, road trip lang tayo and papunta na tayo sa Kabala. One of the places dito talaga siya na highly recommended to visit once you visit Azerbaijan. So ito yung aside from Baku, Kabala talaga yung next destination mo kasi napakaganda talaga itong lugar na to. So, itong nakikita nyo ng mga mountains, mga ka-Nestified, is part of the Kubustan Mountains. So, nakikita nyo, hindi siya flowing with, with trees, yan. Kasi, itong Kubustan is mostly mga rock formation. Dito ang makikita. And, actually, one of the destination or attraction here in Kubustan is yung Kubustan Rock Art, which is recognized by UNESCO. What is interesting also to visit here in Kubustan Mountains, mga ka-Nestified, is the mud volcanoes. Marami ditong mga mud volcanoes sa Kubustan Mountains, which is almost 25,000 years old na, and siguro mga according sa aking na research, wow, almost 350 mud volcanoes dito makikita sa Azerbaijan. So for now, mga ka-Nestified, storytelling lang tayo dito regarding sa Kubustan Mountains, and praying and hopefully makavisit tayo dito ulit sa Azerbaijan at ma-visit din dito yung mud volcanoes. Very interesting din siya. Actually, nung last 2 years ago, naka-visit kami sa Kubustan Mountains, but it's very hot that time. So hindi na namin nalipot, and it's actually required for a hike, mag-hiking talaga para ma-explore yung mga mountains, at saka yung may mga story every carving dito sa Kubustan Mountains. For now, storytelling lang muna tayo para exciting. Part of Kubustan Hills. Oh, we're going inside. Ayun, meron dito. Baka ito na yung center. Tumatawid na mga ano, oh. Tumatawid na mga ano yan. Ayan, so actually we're about to enter to this location and destination site. Hindi actually ay part ito ng aming tour, and this is just like a surprise for us ng aming dear friend, because he mentioned when we started, he will bring us to different places and exciting places. So this is the first part, mga ka-Nestified. And ito pala yung papasukan namin. Ito pala yung the Diri Baba Mausoleum. Diri Baba Tomb. Diri Baba Türbesi. What are these are ayan, ganda ng ano, ito parang palasyo, oh. Yan, i-full screen natin, mga ka-Nestified, para makita yung full view going inside dito sa actually sa first stop na sinurprise namin sa amin ng aming tour guide. Ito yung pagpasok namin. Meron pala ditong parang isang magandang architecture building na actually tinatawag siya na the Diri Baba Mausoleum, na located pa rin siya sa Kubustan region in Azerbaijan. What we're about to see, mga ka-Nestified, is a stunning example of ancient architecture that was built pa way back 15th century. What is very impressive and unusual mga ka-Nestified. Ito pala yung architecture ng mausoleum is yung shape niya very unusual kasi resembling siya like a beehive with a conical dome, tapos parang cylindrical mausoleum siya built of stone talaga siya. So, here we are. Meron pala ditong parang entrance gate papasok dito sa mausoleum. And unfortunately, mga ka-Nestified, very early kami dumating. So, sa labas lang kami. Oo. Nakita namin itong mausoleum na to na architecture. The Deribaba Mausoleum pala mga ka-Nestified, not only significant siya sa history, cultural, or architectural uniqueness, but it also, what is unique here is, ito pala yung the Deribaba Mausoleum is a tomb of the Sufi mystic and hermit na pangalan pala si Deribaba. Kaya na pangalan sa kanya na the Deribaba Mausoleum. Ayan na, maraming picture na tayo, come. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a public cemetery. Deribaba tomb. So, meron palang legend dito mga ka-Nestified na si Deribaba lived a solitary life of contemplation and meditation. So, he gained a reputation for his profound spirituality and wisdom. So, yung tomb niya na house dito sa mausoleum and has become a site of pilgrimage for those seeking solace, guidance, and blessings. So, very interesting talaga mga ka-Nestified, no? If you go to these places, kasi marami talagang story behind of all these places, especially here in Kubustan. And yes, hopefully you enjoy my vlog today, although medyo boring ang ating pag road trip, but maganda naman yung destination na pinuntahan namin. Hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. God bless everyone!